Ayurvedic weight loss program helps you lose weight naturally by improving the digestion, removing the toxins, and bringing your body back to its balance. It's not about starving, it's about feeling light, healthy, and energized. Fad diets often sell the illusion of control, counting calories, eliminating the entire food group, or going for quick fix juices. While this may result on rapid weight loss on the surface, but the undergoing damage is still ignored. Compromised digestion, nutritional deficiencies, and metabolic fatigue. Over the time, these rigid regimens dulls the body's natural intelligence and weaken Agni. When Agni or the digestive fire is impaired, even the healthiest food becomes difficult to digest and assimilate, and toxins known as Kapha, the dosha responsible for structure and lubrication, then accumulates in excess, leading to fatigue, heaviness, and emotional eating. This is why an Ayurvedic slimming program always starts with igniting your Agni. Rather than focusing on restrictions, Ayurveda works on restoring your body's metabolic intelligence, helping in losing weight naturally and sustainably. Panchakarma is the utmost important treatment in weight loss. It's not just a cleanse, but it's the most powerful detox in Ayurveda. Unlike quick fix diets, Panchakarma does not go after symptoms. It treats the root cause of stubborn weight, which is toxin buildup, diminished Agni or digestion, sluggish metabolism, and dosha imbalances. It helps to flesh out Ama and rekindle your Agni. Key Panchakarma treatments include: first one is Vamana, which is therapeutical vomiting. It helps to remove the excess Kapha and Ama from your body. Next is Virejana or therapeutic purgation. It helps in detoxifying your liver and intestines and enhance the sluggish metabolism. It also helps in resetting the gut flora. Next is Vasti or medicated enema. It helps in correcting the Vata and cleansing the colon. There are specific Vastis which helps to scrape out the excess fat. Panchakarma can be done in two ways. One is a classical Panchakarma and the next is a quick cleanse. Classical Panchakarma is a deeper cleansing program done after Snehapana. Here, your body is fully saturated with medicated ghee or oil, and then either Vamana or Virejana will be done. Here, the toxins are eliminated from cellular level, hence a much deeper cleansing happens. This protocol is found to be more effective in weight loss. The second type is a quick cleanse done without Snehapana. Here, the detoxification does not occur in the cellular level, but still, to an extent, this is also helpful. Each therapy is tailored according to your prakriti, that is the body constitution, vikriti, the present dosha imbalance state, and digestive capacity or Agni. Hence, the treatments are highly individualized and effective for your weight loss journey. Panchakarma lays the foundation, but the long-term transformation occurs through your daily living. After detox, Ayurveda guides you through a supportive lifestyle practice which includes maintaining your digestion, preventing formation of ama or toxins, and stabilize weight. Daily rituals for an effective Ayurvedic slimming program includes Aushadapana, drinking of warm herbal decoctions to strengthen your Agni, mindful eating, favoring fresh, warmly cooked, healthy food that is light to digest and easily assimilated, avoiding Agni killers. Say no to reheated, processed, and heavy foods that dull your digestive fire. Fourth is Dinacharya, adopting a good daily routine which is in accordance with the Ayurvedic practices is very important. These rituals helps to keep your body in sync with the nature cycle and keep the metabolic fire burning bright long after the Panchakarma is completed. Sustainable weight loss isn't about willpower. It is about alignment. When your digestion is strong, your body naturally sheds what it no longer needs.